How can you install Calendar Widget on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, you need to have the calendar application installed, like either the one from Apple or Google or even other ones. But once you do have the application, just hold down on the home screen anywhere to go to the edit mode, right? So everything just starts to shake like that. And you'll be able to click on the edit button in the top left corner and choose to add a new widget. And naturally, so many options to pick between and choose from, and you can scroll through the alphabetical list or look it up through the search and click on the calendar. And once you go with the Apple one, you have like 6 different types to pick between. So at first, we have like 3 sizes for the up next, which will display the upcoming events in like different formats, different sizes based on your home screen and how you like it. These are the first 3 widgets to pick from. And then we have just a simple date. Some people just want to see the day and which it is in the month. Then you also have the month view and also have like a list of upcoming events. So some people just want to see it in a list of what they are about to do and all of the meetings coming up or whatever. And that's how you can do this. Naturally, just tap it like that to add it to the home screen, drag it around to find its place, and that's how you can just install the widget for your calendar on the iPhone. So that is how you could do it. I would really appreciate your feedback in the comments. If you manage to make it work on your phone, hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss anything like that. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.